what we have to get done today is a new H pipe for the Mustang. And basically we're just going to take out the heavy ass resonator that's in there now. We have to take off the exhaust, cut the exhaust, put the new one in, maybe weld, whatever, clamps.
Alright guys, so first we're going to start by taking these 4 bolts out to loosen the factory clamps, and then once we get that out, I have to come back here and take these 2 bolts out that hold the rear part of the exhaust up. You can see that I already have aftermarket muffler deletes, so the H pipe is just going to add to that. So it should be pretty straightforward, nothing too crazy. Just like that.
If it's not going anymore, like, don't.
Yeah, but I feel like it's not even in yet.
So now on the old resonator, we have to measure back 6 1/4 to cut, because we don't need this anymore, obviously, with the new pipe in. And then that will connect right where he's lining and cutting. Right there. And it'll be the rest of the exhaust in the back.
Alright, so we got the resonator deletes up. They were a pain. Word of advice for this job, always cut less than you need. No, always cut more than you need. Actually, cut less than you need.
Cut less. See, over here, there's a video from who?
CJ Pony Parts.
CJ Pony Parts.
Disclaimer. They get really bad reviews all the time, and now I can finally see why, because they're not accurate at all. So this is my my shout out to them.
They told us to cut 6 1/2 here and here from the original resonator, which Anthony cut 6 1/2. No, 6 1/4 on this one, and then less than 6 on this, and they barely fit, and they're barely on the hangers right now, but they're on enough to where
it's safe.
It's safe, and the exhaust won't go anywhere.
Like, you could definitely like pull on this all you want all day.
You can pull on it, but yeah, but you're not gonna hit anything, or nothing's gonna pull it down while you're driving.
It's not gonna fall off anytime soon. Like
it's still up there.
Minimal requirement for work to be on.
And if it turns out to be a problem later down the road, I guess we'll fix it out. But new exhaust looks good, and it's basically straight piped until the cats.
You can always cut more, but you can never cut less.
idea if the mic does any justice, but that was way louder than the original exhaust. Way fucking louder.
Alright, where do you want me to go?
$5 grand. guys, so we successfully did it. It was a little challenging at first, but word of advice to everyone out there, don't give up when you run into one problem, because you're gonna run into at least 5. That's a good number with us. But we did do it this time, so we'll be back at you with more videos soon.
Sounds amazing.
It does.
My name's Nick and I'm a faggot. Nice
What
to
up,
meet you.
YouTube? Gamer Dragon Slayer 86 here. We're going to game on a Mustang today.
What are you? Fucking stand still.
Well, I'm a gamer, man.